Welcome to Generic Knowledge. Let's learn together. Who inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam, Malik Ghulam Muhammad, Liaquat Ali Khan, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Quaid-e-Azam. The biggest airbase of Pakistan is located in Khadirabad, Qualat, Sargodha, Lahore. Sargodha. The biggest natural gas producing area of Pakistan. Karachi, Lahore, Sway, Qualat. Sway. The national code of Pakistan is Pak, PK, Pak 1, all of them. PK. In which of the following cities the first dry port of Pakistan is located? Multan, Peshawar, Lahore, Faisalabad. Lahore. The common value among the people of Pakistan is dress, language, habits, Islam. Islam. Mirpur is a famous city of Sindh, KPK, Azad Kashmir, Punjab. Azad Kashmir. Who was the founder of the slave empire of Muslim India? Mahmud Ghaznavi, Shahab-ud-din Ghori, Qutb-ud-din Aibak. None of them. Qutb-ud-din Aibak. Pakistan's biggest and most powerful radio station is Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, Multan. Islamabad. Which of the following provinces has the highest literacy rate? KPK, Sindh, Punjab, Baluchistan. Punjab. Kohat Tunnel project was completed with the financial aid of Japan, US, India, China. Japan. The study of the science of population is called biography, demography, bibliography, all of them. Demography. The minimum number of people populated in 1 square kilometer of area are in Sindh, Punjab, KPK, Baluchistan. Baluchistan. Identify the first Pakistani who reached the South Pole. Mrs. Tasleem Aslam, Nahida Mehboob Elahi, Namira Salim, Nazir Sabirs. Namira Salim. The family planning program in Pakistan was started in 1950, 1952, 1980, 1992. 1952. Which division of Punjab produces the maximum sugarcane crop? Sargodha Division, Multan Division, Sheikhupura Division, Sahiwal Division. Multan Division. What percentage of the population of Pakistan is under the age of 15? 39%, 40%, 55%, 45%. 45%. Identify the largest cantonment of Pakistan. Karian Cant, Quetta Cant, Okara Cant, Karachi Cant. Karian Cant. Shakarparian is situated in Islamabad, Karachi, Quetta, Lahore. Islamabad. Identify the official news agency of Pakistan. IPP, AP, PPI, PPA. AP. Thanks for watching.